In this video, we're talking about the surprising reason that 99% of Clickbank affiliates are failing right now. Hey, it's Dan Pine. Welcome back to Dan's Cash Flow Experiment. And yes, today we're talking about the reason that the vast majority of Clickbank affiliates are failing to make money or make money of any decent amount. And this might be surprising to you, but there's a combination of several factors that go into the reason that most affiliates are not making money. Now, one of those is simply that it can take quite a lot of visitors to get a single sale when you send them to a Clickbank offer. So some estimates have come out, and you can Google this and look it up, but some estimates have come out that it could take you as many as 200 visits on average in order for you to get a single sale. Now, in order for you to get 200 clicks, 200 visitors to an affiliate offer is going to take a considerable marketing budget in many cases. Now, the second reason that comes into play is this. The average affiliate commission for making that sale on Clickbank is $20 to $40, which means that for sending 200 visitors to that page, you're only going to make a single $20 to $40 commission, which in most cases doesn't cover your marketing costs, which means that you actually end up going in the hole for every sale that you make. And if by some miracle you are able to cover your marketing costs with that $20 to $40 commission, the profit margins are so slim that it hardly makes it worth your time and effort to have done the process in the first place. Now, one of the other reasons that this is so difficult is because these offers are so widely available. They're popular, they're out there, and anyone can promote these Clickbank links, which means that the competition is high. All the other affiliates in that market are trying to promote the same offer, which means that your response rate is going to probably be lower because people who are interested in that market have probably already seen this offer before. So there's a combination of factors that are coming into play that mean that 99% of affiliate marketers are not making money doing it. Now, if you'd like to learn how to solve this problem, go ahead and click the link down below. If this was helpful to you, click the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what I can shoot a video on next, but be sure to visit that link below and subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be talking about the strategy that is converting 10 times better than Clickbank offers right now. That's right, this is a new affiliate strategy and I'm going to be talking about in the next video, so be sure to stay tuned and subscribe. Check out that video right now.